everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Charlene Martinez. I'm the owner here at ARCHED. Today we're going to talk about our lip plump service, also known as hyaluronic acid lip plump. This technique is used with a hyaluron pen, which administers hyaluronic acid into the first layer of the lip, which then gives you that really nice sexy look. And we wanted to answer a few questions. One of the common questions is, does it hurt? Did it hurt?
Not at all.
Okay, so out of a 10 you would say?
0. I felt nothing.
Beautiful. How long does it take?
It's my lunch break, so less than an hour from beginning to end.
Another one of the questions is that if you can get it when you already have previous filler. Absolutely. How aggressive or how minimal you go is based off the look desired. So today we did only a vial and a half with her. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the bottom.
Down below.
The website's down below.
The website's down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Website's down below.
Oh, this is so bad.
Thanks for watching our channel, and we'll be back soon.
No, don't forget.